Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 16th of September 2024 and the week ends on 20th of September 2024. So total 5 trading days and the upcoming week is very much important for us. Why? Stay with me. I will be explaining that as well. So I will be using my writing tablet as well to explain. So see, those of you who are saying we cannot see the prices, now I will be writing it very bigger on the screen right here so that you can see, right? So today I will definitely will be discussing different pairs and it's going to be a very fantastic weekly forex forecast video as usual. My main goal is to give you such a direction of the market so that even if you want to trade it yourself, it doesn't cause you any harm or you don't get lost in the market, right, my friends? So I will be using this pen today, right? And let me first remove my watch because it will be making troubles. I'm, by the way, to all of you, I want to tell you, is there anyone who is a left-hand writer? I am, right? And very few people are left-hand writers right here in my country. Right, so one more thing. In the last video, I have shown my, like I requested that if someone can sponsor my stay in another city where I will build a studio, right? I will properly make a trading station. I will hire a team. So, in that regard, one of my good member, my subscriber, and my senior, obviously, Francisco, I'm so much thankful to you for sponsoring 1 month of stay. Now, let's see if these other 5 months worth of, or at least 3 other months worth of sponsorship I can get, then I am completely will be going. Otherwise, let's see. I'm sure enough this week we will get some more sponsors, and in the start of October, I will I will set up a new studio, a new setup where I will be 24/7 available, my methods, my techniques, everything. With a whole team, I will be working, and especially I like to work with small hedge funds, the retail traders, and those who want to succeed in this market, and those who have lost a lot of money and they are like now in the middle of nowhere that where should we go. So yes, forex needs a lot of passion, right? And if you have that patience, like no one can snatch this opportunity of being a good trader or being a wealthy or rich trader in this market, but there are a lot of factors, obviously. So today I will be discussing euro dollar and some other pairs as well. Today I'm thinking also I will be adding dollar CAD because that moved very nicely as well. Gold I will be discussing as well. If I get time today, I will discuss it today. Otherwise, that video will be uploaded separately tomorrow on Sunday 6 p.m. Pakistan time. Right, my friends? So, without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts. Okay, so right here I am on the euro US dollar. So, friends and members and audiences and subscribers and those who are watching me for the first time, to everyone I want to say Just have a look at it. Like, I'm deleting everything right for now, so just have a look at it. You know, my weekly forecasts are not just forecast, but they are educational sessions as well. Let me delete this. So you will remember almost it's been like from the end of August. What I said about the euro dollar is because obviously I look at the higher time frame most of the time when I plan to trade a little bit bigger. I look at the higher time frame. Monthly, no hard and fast rule. One point, let me write it down, then you guys say we cannot see. So 1.04369. You see this zone, this blue line. This is a monthly support with us. This whole. No rocket science, very, very simple. Okay. So if this is our support, now what we should do? Where is our resistance? Well, one must say resistance is up there. Fibonacci trader will say no, we can expect another resistance. Because in my strategy, what I usually do is, let's suppose, have a close, pay close attention, right? So in my strategy, let's say this is market, point A started, go up, plotted this point B, came back down this point C, which is usually 61.8% retracement, and then obviously the D. This is the whole concept. Then for a cell, if we see this is A, B, C and D. Now I want to ask all of you, on this monthly chart, can you just pause the video and think for a while? Think for a while, please do it. What it is telling us is, did you think about it? Did you pause the video? Good. So since I am a Fibonacci and this is 61.8% retracement. Now if I tell you this is also point C, right? See, like this, obviously. But this, if we see, is a bigger one, isn't it? It is. So this is also point C, because see, A, B, then C. Obviously D will be somewhere down there. But this is monthly, so why this is point C for me is, and even I discussed it in complete details in my previous all videos. Now do you see what is so special about this level and why I'm taking this as a resistance for now? So let's delete this for now as well. This is a range of from first, like from 2023, like just have a look at it, till today, like 2024 of what? 2024 of September. That was January. Now do the calculation how much stronger this whole rally can be. Sorry if the pen calibration is not exactly accurate, as it shows me right here on the MT for a very accurate zone, but when obviously when I see the recording I will see that how this output is. But anyways, this, right, price zone I want to tell you is 1.1223. this is resistance, and this is the support 1.04369 or 70. This is support monthly, right? Monthly. Monthly support. So it's easy for me to analyze it on the lower time frames. So what the lower time frames, right here, obviously I discussed all of these and we traded all of these. But if I go into the details of that, no point of it, because I already discussed this. I already discussed every bullish and bearish move. Everyone. So in today's episode, because I have to also analyze other pairs, so I just want to focus on this present market. On the weekly, what it is showing us is this thing. Do you see? Trending up. If I show you another thing and another concept on the weekly, what it is showing me is, let me correct it. Oops. Let me do it once again. Yes, it should be fine now. Just have a look at this channel a little bit. There is also a channel, but I don't like it that much. So I am deleting it, right? Now, my friends, when price was near this 1.12 on a weekly, what I said right here, and this is something I shared with my members. This was a sell point for me. Obviously, upon proper confirmation. So we took this sell, then right here I said leave the market, and here we took another sell. We left the market, and from right here I am again not a bullish. So I missed this one with 107 pips of take profit it would be. But do you guys know, I always give one move to the market. You should know this. So I assume this move is now that move which I gave to the market. Now I want to show you a technique. If I show you, there is a Fibonacci number. See, didn't I discussed it previously? Now anyone who is holding a sell position somewhere on the euro US dollar till now so far, believe me, this is like, and if you have seen my video and still you took this, you did this mistake, then my brother, I will take it as an offense, because I clearly mentioned selling zone was that, selling zone was this was not a selling zone. Clear? Now we also have a very fantastic bullish trend. Now see, next we have a very fantastic breakout point as well. The previous one, breakout point, where is that? That breakout point is right here. Now I will again take you to my strategy. See, this whole zone, market was supposed to take a bounce from right here, 1.10060 approximately, this zone. It didn't took it. See, it didn't. And it took a retest of this particular zone. Now This is a Fibonacci zone and this is a previous retest zone. So what I have found for the upcoming week, and that can be so much easy and simple, and that is to have a look at it on the daily. So no doubt the daily bulls took complete advantage of it. Now going to the H4, I want to show you something, and that is this rally and this trend. I'm not sure if I discussed it in the previous videos or not, but this is the trend. See. So this 1.11000, I gave this sell to the members. But the thing is, right here I want to tell you two things. Either it can do this and continue bullish and give us a break of this structure, or it come back down, create this double bottom, and then continue back up. And obviously if it is going to continue back up from right here, I already have my stop losses set right here. I will leave this intraday. Anyways, this was an intraday, but hopefully I can assume maybe like there are a lot of opportunities. It can create this and then move up. This is market. At each and every level, my friends, we have to wait for the market. Remember this one thing. So very fantastic. And now let me quickly give a conclusion, and the conclusion should look something like this. Weekly, daily, everything I have explained. Now come on to the daily. This 1.10000 level you see, this 1.10000, this is a strong one, because if it break, it will take a retest and it will continue down, and this story will finish right here at this previous support near a price zone of approximately 1.07. But that's not the case right now, because we have seen this. So most probably when I am stopped out on this bullish wave, I will wait for a correction. Once I get a correction, because it's dropping, I will be taking to the buy side of the market. And my friends, this is how the Forex works. Now, when I work with on a daily basis with my members, what most the new members they say is that, hey Aftab, right now you were saying it's going down. Yesterday you were saying and it reverses. Now you are saying it's going up there. Well, my friend, at each and every level, 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle, how many decisions I take? 15-minute. Like, there is a good news as well for you, that when I was a beginner, I focused on a daily time frame only. Then I added monthly, weekly. So this side was fantastic. Now with the passage of time, I'm so happy to announce that I can now H4, H1, M30, M15, M5 and M1 do all of these. I will need some attorneys to carry on this proper M1, M5, M15. So as I tell him that on the, like, I teach the strategy M15, M5, M1, and I will say, now work with me, trade for yourself as well, work with me as well. When I tell you deliver this to the members, you can. So my friends, on the euro US dollar, I am on a sell. If I'm lucky, I will win, right? Because I see, like, I also see the market as this. Just pay close attention. How I say, see, from right here with a stop loss of 75 pips, the market gave me around 100 pips, 111 pips. Then 111, after that it gave 112 pips again, and then from that down I left the market at this candle. The whole move was 143. I left the move with 100 pips. And then this one. So 100, 112, 111. 300, around 320, 25. So I say if I take a risk of around 100 pips, and I'm sure, I'm 99% sure it's going to go up, but I'm holding a sell position. Why? I made good profits. And maybe Monday morning I give a call to close this position. But first, since there is one more technicality that is involved, and that is we definitely have to see this H1 as well. Don't you see? It already plotted this right here. So for fresh buying opportunities, well, I will be waiting. For what level? For 1.10, 300 and 1.10, 400. Approximately, I'm writing it 1.10, 300 and 1.10, 400. Between this price range, you see this 618, this zone 618. I can add buying positions upon confirmation. If I get a confirmation, I trade. If I don't, I leave it. I will enjoy my sell. So on the confirmation, I will leave this sell right here. If there is no confirmation, I will let it go down further. So this is euro US dollar, my friend. And it always, this is like, the beginner method or the beginner instrument every trader trades, and fantastic profits it gives. But as I said, we cannot take these things on our heart. Can we? Can I? No, I cannot. This, see? Where was that? I just discussed it. Okay, here it is on the daily. So this is it. Now if I tell you this was completely tradable, and even I have some members who traded it on their own. I didn't tell them to trade. But since they are familiar with my setup and they were not holding any position, so when they saw there is a buy opportunity, they just jumped in. They just asked me, "Hey Aftab, is this a buy opportunity?" I said, "Yes, this is clearly right here." It was. Let me show you. Let me quickly show you. So I said, "Yes, this is, take it as a golden chance, right?" Where was the market when? Oops. Sorry guys if the video length gets a bit more, like in about 1 hour I also am going to leave for a riverside. Out there in your countries there are beaches, advanced countries, beautiful countries, wealthy countries as well. But our poor country, have little bit of dark gray muddy water flowing. I really like it because it's my own land, obviously. So to the riverside, I'm so much exciting, and the weather is almost changing. So I'm so much excited that I will be leaving in an hour with my friend, and we will have some food there, cook there, and we will consume it, and then we will enjoy, and then we will come anyways. Anyway, so what I was saying, yeah. So on that day, what some of my members asked me, can we take a buy? So I was in this decision. Market, I was selling a sell from there. I was holding it. Last week I told you. The market dropped nicely, but after a drop, there are my secret things that tells me that this is not now not going back down, right? So when I say this, I thought, okay, I'm already holding a sell position, so I will stick to that, and I stick to it. So when it came back down till here, I'm not now exactly remember which day in the previous week it was. Maybe it was this bottom or this bottom. But when the member asked me, "Hey Aftab, can we take a buy trade? We have no position." I said, "Well, yes, it is standing. Just put your stop loss and trade it. Who is stopping you? If the level is good, you will be making profits." So he left the position right here, and because this is one of my zone, and why I am so much excited about this upcoming week is this is also pointing down to the trend line, and the price zone is 1.0946, around 1.09500. I sum up. I will sum up this 1.09460. So my friends, everywhere it will be giving profit. It's up to you if you can take it or not. So the today's session got into more detailed, I should say. Let me see if I have time. Oh, I almost like spent it the whole week on weekly forecast on uh, euro US dollar, because these are very very good plans these days, right? Other pairs I'm avoiding for now. I was planning to add a dollar CAD, but let's see, during the week I will be adding that. Right, my friends, today's session was a bit educational as well. I hope you what like my friends, what I'm teaching you, I hope one day you understand it. I hope. When I say something, I hope you guys are able to apply that. Right, my friends? So hopefully this new upcoming week will bring good profits to us as well. And dollar index, gold, dollar cat, guys, I just want to move to another city. Just pray for me, and if anyone out you right there, 50,000 of dollar you are trading, $100,000 of account you are trading, if you can sponsor $1,000 of my studio, not only I will be giving you my services, but I also will be pronounce your name right here, just like Francisco helped me. Out of you, I'm not sure who is like trading how much and who is earning how much, but at least I know that you guys are making good profits. And if not, we can fix that, not a problem. So yes, and for the courses, this is my WhatsApp number. Do contact me, and I just can facilitate one member only. No, sorry, two members. I can facilitate with the one member. He has told me he's going to join, so that is reserved for, and two other seats I have. One-on-one sessions these are. I'm not like such a person who gather like who charge $300 per person, and I to take you to one Zoom meeting all at once. No, 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 my friends, I don't like it. I say I want to work with the clients personally, right? So yes, this is it. Take a lot of care of yourself. uh, Keep me in your prayers, I keep you in my prayers, and I will see you tomorrow. Today I was in a bit of rush as well, so the rest of the pairs, let me ask in the comment section down below. I will make videos about this, and once my studio is set, my friends, you will see that how many setups and how active I will be, right? Right here I'm doing everything right now from my home. I have kids, so I want to separate my work from my family life, and then see how nicely it works, right? Any sponsors, you are most welcome. Take a lot of care of yourself. See you next time. Goodbye.